everyone, I'm Noel, a health educator with WVU's Family Nutrition Program, and welcome to my kitchen where today I am going to demonstrate for you how to make the green bean salad, which I think you're going to find is so easy and so yummy that it's going to be your summer favorite. Take a look, I've already got my ingredients all ready. So I have my green beans and I cut off the ends of them and then I cut them into smaller bite-sized pieces just because that's how I like them. If you don't want to have to cut them up smaller, you don't have to. Leave them long, whichever way you prefer them. I have my cherry tomatoes, which I have cut in half. Unfortunately, I couldn't find any of the yellow ones. I saw them at the market just the other day, and when I went back to buy them, they were gone. So my salad's only going to be green and red. It won't have that pretty yellow in it. Then I have my green onion here, which I've already cut up into small pieces. And if you can see, I saved the end of my green onion because it has roots on it. And if I put it in water, it will regrow another green onion for me, which is awesome. And now I want to show you how to cut the basil. To cut leafy herbs like basil or what else do you cut up like this? Mint you would do. You're going to make a little stack of your leaves. Doesn't have to be pretty. My little stack of leaves. And then I'm going to roll it up a little. Kind of like a burrito, sort of. And then I'm going to chop it. Now when you're making any recipe, you read through it ahead of time so that you understand everything that's in it. If you don't know what blanch means, then that's okay. You have time to Google it, and you will find that just about everything is on the internet, and there are even YouTube videos that will show you how to blanch something. So I'm going to take my green beans and I'm going to put them in some boiling water. To blanch the green beans, I'm going to put them in this boiling water. And they're just going to stay in there for a couple of minutes, just until they turn really bright green, not until they turn soggy. All right, now as you can see, my green beans are nice and bright green, so I am going to drain them. And then put them in this bowl of ice water that I made for them. For the dressing, we're going to use some olive oil, some balsamic vinaigrette, and some minced garlic. So let's start with the balsamic vinegar. So the balsamic vinegar, we're going to add 3 tablespoons. And we're going to add 1 tablespoon of the olive oil.
Next, our recipe calls for 2 cloves of minced garlic. And if you're like me and you want to get the garlic that's already minced, you can look it up on the internet and find that 1 regular-sized clove of garlic is about 1 teaspoon. Then we just whisk it all together and our dressing is done.
And now we're ready to mix all our ingredients together. This is the last step. So we have our green beans that I took out of the ice water, and I'm going to dump in the tomatoes. Then I'm going to add the onion. And of this basil, it called for 1/3 of a cup. So I'm going to measure out 1/3 of a cup, although I think that's about what this is. And then we're going to add the vinaigrette. But remember, we're going to mix it again because it might have settled a little bit. Just give it a quick whisk. And pour it on there. Now we can just mix it up. We are going to let this sit in the fridge for a couple of hours. That'll give all the flavors a chance to meld together. And it's going to be absolutely yummy. This is a great salad to keep in your fridge just all summer long, so that you don't have to cook every night. Because I don't know about you, but the last thing I want to do in the summertime is spend all my time in a hot kitchen cooking. So that's all there is to it. I hope you enjoy it, and we'll see you again next time. Bye.